means some mama so intelligence I picky and said the situation was that bad. But what me my professionalism came into play. I boy man mabunu Akoma ba from Obuasi mabunu ewo anwea bi a so omo sesa wi ase military ne mu nyina ba mu. So far situation it say.
Okay, that's it. I ain't sure if you now.
Akoma
After speaking today or this hour, a cap, extremely cap.
Okay.
Yeah, after that incident, incident in the council, you might Roma, so that would be condition.
Yes.
Obi Wanka. And if you make a situation in the same make said, you'll be a Yenaguma, yeah, in Timonia.
Now, Brumo Swinton military, because we're hearing warning shots, Nessani Menina. I didn't could do baby do it.
You're going to so Bob was here, a for baby, Mount Valley. Mount Valley.
Okay.
Ahoye baby about 100 years near it's mine and I'm not going to try to see that come but a environment a different from ordinary town cry. Now it's for no on the side a Danima more hospital no nurses to buy nurses from Kwana tia. No quality part the TB.
Oh, okay. So you are in a Monte Valley.
Yes, so I'm
your environment is serene because
very beautiful environment. The landscape in the Bangalore, no, the most channel hotel now. Come. Now, what was my answer? One real who said you could cry and I say, you'd be a waha. Now, over first Bangalore, on your left. I am my sister 768.
Okay.
Na kojo I go be an mama say community minus no. I have to use that word community minus. So I did a geologist here, you can tell. How much you say that down American was me. A dana see on a video. On the next form you knew and I teach her Bangalore. I don't want to maybe I could say a dana see. To tell me who and yes, I'm not at the house. Who and I say about 3 numbers. I'm a hospital administrator, see you no echo ball, competent man, say, yeah, every now on the bois, nom the excavator, and as a boar, a bunny, a silly, sir, a manana. Now you brother, Anna, but the 4 years, so really, I could be because of you know, and you're so two, and then I can through one, some of the I want to go my cataswa, a bit my framework, down or more trust, you know. The foundation is very strong. So now, brother, any crab, but this excavator, and then, sir, down one, you sign your car, Cassini. Say, Kona Yakukatas. The Koya, you say, one of Boham and you. One of Boham and you, the one said, you got 500. Omina, I say, and you know, two, I scale a Siono. Now, it's not Catasuino, and you know, I only who are Omodia.
Wow.
And you have to get a cry. And the Anyanso Tuaniano, a confidence of Faniano at the court. Among them, Anano Koi.
And come quiet a day.
I mean, say, confident Tuaniano, and Tuaniano, I see nobody go and you came. So, yeah, and I'm the Koi. And then, Ma, Mabubu Fuze, and me, the woman, though, say himself, you can go to my TV. Yes, come there, because I know my. I am calling from the and I come to the land from the Yano, a coy. Let us say, Mamma for no a tree. The abated I am playing a dinner. The excavator run no 2 Amano of you want to follow. I want to say, a ma police one will be a coy, and say, if you're an idea, no, something no war, detachment of ha, yeah, military, or Mubiswa, the Biamoa, and a form on by on the boy. And he said, they said, I see no Tiano, we. They are why total illegal. Yeah, a warranty arrest. But by material type, maybe panel a good woman, no more dono, because all chill be or damn material time, and the remember. And the Yankasame for free, illegal my for minus, committee minus, you know, or Mulida, I'm an about Mr. Kuma, or no more charming. To most scale minus, you know, or more charming or buy. Or the whole situation of an article. From one in Indian, and then push for no floor. Itu for so many abtre ibi ani a ebetwe na abo mo leja e dey yodo class ni timi e so pe mo metina akata so a sabe bibi eni hobio nti ada me jata me nipa o to net from you na omo situation nso no omo set me nye nti ye kata so na ye yi omo afuro ya je me ka say dada no da hot dampanya yetime siri foundation no bi akama nti ko ti ya na no
enti tese maburu no at the end of the day omutimi nya anwea ne kakra kokodi
omo nya kakra ko no bi se de omo djuma tie no omo djuma na edre anwea ne kakra na omo fa kokura no omo sa ko no nti wuri na ho dia ani wa sa kra no bi atie na oda no ni anwea ni na
anwea
video ni bia
yeah I mean na just me share video no me hokura adwiri me but commander in fact you are a security person near ekoswe reporter yemu be picking say mabuna wo Obuasi no I very 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 worried charge and tensa near ma ekoso na hwe betim do hawaba I dear advise na more my authorities because any wedding
komi musek I for small scale management officially ekrekata e de call company no center omo abandoned areas bia omo en shadan yadwuma wo ho na emphasis so bone emma company no komma kwai na community managers no enye enkonko yadwuma kakra enso ba so aye ba bia apart from obenya stores no assembly na sin so gudi bia wo no adwuma bia ni habiu apart from government officials and as yi friends teacher for no one yadwuma no adwuma pati say obi e farmer wa hana e kakra so the chiku no wasn't you a company. The be wa na nadwini nya ni suba nya no aye mining. Na obaka say company so ayi asasini bi e 60% of concession no ama community no ma buy na buy na community no. Na hwe mabru no issue no mo raise no a ba bia omuja ma nya no nye Obuasi community aye outside the district or the municipality. Jakobu kakra bi da ho uko Akofom district e bi da ho. Nti ka so mo kwa adwuma na mo so pan wo mo to mo pe omo amu die the locality no say oh yes asase kakra company dia ma yes adwuma ni ho na company so say omo concession 50% concession no a wo ha ne die omo ni atumi ana say omo ntimi bi ma mabdo no adwuma we na ko fa say twintwintwintwi na ko bi project na abesinde en kweso so no o hwe omo number no suye
that's
we na 2016 ekofa we ne kakraka
buy
and na esa wo be obi who blames us as speaking right now 2 weeks ekochi nipa 15 underground
wow
to see amika say mo nipa 12 you see amika say see ya mo office ya me report mo makoko underground omukọ e the explosives omukọ nso omodi ne de na esoni wo agudi wona wotwe na adi ehu ye omo ko so the explosives na eko it is also all patrol underground ho no we ya na be bia mo apart explosive no ho na oni time a say explosive timing yeah blasting na blasting bono nti ama adwuma no ko bi aye din papa ma kopina no we ye na ya fe na sikam what you say mafuru o ma som nyam na omko na adi a ehu nya na so mpanifo nyina ye the company for aye police the government
yeah
no, and so the company in the class. No more a best solution about this. But the national human rights in Yemen, but any human rights here, who believes that under no circumstances a military officer I could protect certain projects and certain property. Now also the property now military officer as I'm speaking today. Now 2 of the vessel. Jesus Christ. You don't want a situation of the commission of inquiry.
Yeah.
So now also
because commander reporter minya ya pa no kire say in fact the police and military were more professional yes sir kebete bloody because now the police soldiers for any matter for video I will share nie soldiers for na clock omu tuoro mu butu ho ebinum soldier gina ho commander wona na ukura poma bi ana
ai maza makunko na mijina papa ya maza
oh my God but and I'm mabure you omo ntade na to omo gina mo hwena no na wo mo to omo nsa no bi akura no botto na tese na but maburu ne say si anglogo di buy e form kaka no mo di ko omo pe concession kakra bi kura say okay mu nyina mu nkogu ha na mu ni di ha officially na nke ho no mo wo mo and that is the only problem omo
ɛno
mo na security for mo ntimi advice mpanimfo senka wo mo ntie mabunu because Obuasi mabunu bi o nim bibia apart from Galamsey.
Kobi enza me start kam na me kam music so na me pen issue no
Aye.
Music and ne company no any small scale man association o me position no music ko ho meeting ko be we kan nyina no security check ni e wa hai ye nyama ne no baby na ye kan wave no ho ane kofam o mu ja ya na asa awresi no police and security concern music take advantage sene let ya mo dia benye ni company no enko baby a omabombo area bako and 9 ya as I speaking no mo hedwuma ho ntia de ni ekohwe bi na ya distance no ya technical aspect what I say ho no about affected the operation of the company or otherwise
okay
any man no company no any stakeholders na ko size ni na and you make a technical report the abano and the company no clear back to small scale for say omo na veti omo petition no kwa buy ho
okay
concession land na ya buy dia
okay
ana wa kebia mo mo so ba say okay say no 50% no isha into the month after time e ma committee no and omo ni asom but so one jump to me so e the concession ma somebody there ethical enye sa in the money do so na mo e kire koma manage no ya manage so atra omo for the day on petition no akwa ba ho the other na ko bi ya twinsi da ba na so only ye system bureaucracy about ko dru region minister no hwe mo ha kiki hwe mo ama money sector so akwa market na edru nkai na da be
in fact
yeah because the intelligence say about your friend your colleagues police senior officers no takwa any da man areas ni bisa dey na mo ye no so because of one place ne ubenya community safety ni ayinti no ebi akobe na yi bi kakra ma omosomo nya dwuma ba na e dey so dey
abba
say na nya ya hwe government pressure wo me so Obuasi obi nya de gido o
we picking intelligence is ya akro no sem kra no kosoro wo ho obi nuwa na duane a obeba no aba beta obi abeta bakwa akodi because come the boys no
obi ku bi say o ya o adi we friend say the hata so niam no
dry line
oba kone ye twa dade na de ko yes scraps
hey dry line na esi wori no mu twitwa no Obuasi de ko
no on kan ko say obi so a problem and nansane ne music ye ko home meeting yeah say say rejuvenate say meetings no na engage all the stakeholders no mo hwe na say there ana it ade na yare so wo so come de no ye come de wa e je se bi me se ka go bi dem fa ka e go kuma me na ko fa na japa de ko ton enye ni sa bibia na e procedure na e cha na go di so money
so ba
you know I was trying to catch them not the police but if no I some we get Mr. Mom penifo no and na buy no the situation on the ground
omon keka omo ho
the situation on the ground because and na say the human rights in na ba no e do ba bi na nipa no bot so as ye do ba ye bia
because to the same minimum police for mo na mo to warning shot because military for to warning shot bear 3 5 10 times are still not just say enye Akoma bi ne mo intervention an kade we nka nsamo a bete ne foforo no can news no attend the different story
oh yes na nya de so I region Akoma na so bono homodin
yeah
yes I know Akoma no so friend penefo bi a
okay
omni wo mo nso na o hadada
okay
yeah region commander wa hadada so you know most of the officers bi a but me for mo atufo something nya na yes I akwanchire so regional commander you did well that very day because we again say in the all this anomaly no obi ahwanka very happy
and
the time no the normal you know na idea indiscipline indiscipline but you can't make arrest when situation like this get up use the common sense to akoko nipa no then you have there's a video in now e ka take obi ya e be na obi sisi ya because you have seen them. So but everybody say
yeah the abrante ba ku kura savo na o che top nika bi na de oye no wani mu ma unza ka de puma bi kura ene ne sere just e bi asenata mu oye bradi yesu bi aga na bi du serious serious. Commander, but I mean, we are testing Mabruno or more Bobo Mwabe biggest demonstration. That is what we are picking. Timon Farmer Sonto from now, Muma political has an intervene na far or how be amremo because what we are picking is not the best. Nti omunhwe no munye ho adwuma but maminya ona yakwe wonum za mochi ni my bua no mo ye involving fake currency ewo ho omon sam na akwa kwesi
Kumi ba cho omon case no court.
Okay.
Court na yi enza unya fake currency case ya. Wo do wani na ehunu say fake but technically in Canada this is how they call Bank of Ghana. Now more the report ba. Nti no Bank of Ghana report no any kan. The man no amoba court na yen charge wo say Congo General Company mu until Bank of Ghana not to confirm so can kan o man no counterfeit yeah we did ya na gina so the charge one for possession fake currency so report na yen
okay
the man is about next media investigator no call all last week na o the commission the contract for verification the case na criminal case there you mean that ko na so wa abama ne government to so e chekakra the be sure ayi ho djuma
Commander no pay we are more than grateful momoni so ne adwuma
so me so me ntu awofo before na underground issue no one very dangerous wa ko underground ho no wonim se bia company so a planted explosive or baby now ko power e dey so bone e beba omo kwata ga nyina omo parents omo fanom omo nkofo hwe omo anam sa sponsors cause they been cry juveniles ubu ahunu a ono antimi nya bibi enko underground amafo na wachire sponsor omo umi hweye e ko bi ne ya hweye na isa go gubi wa na ye wiase ba na eno ano we nya e kadisa no ne ye moko ye nkase kombine no so boy for money be yeah wofo no ne yankura ko underground so ko mi tum na a very dangerous venture no ekum no
Commander Rope, we are more than grateful. Hi Akoma 87.9 FM in the Duanaba Kofi Asantinin Eguswaya de Ghana Akoma Ebreo and of course JB Ewaha Obolunso Ewaha JB yan fast da Emma 21st clinic Obana boy and 21st clinic Adiwo sciatica yare account na usisi echibre mo bo 222 pechi we ya wo hwea enye ya
uni ekwan bia de be fa so a
treatment no 21st clinic and a bit treat sciatica yare no e de amount ye wo alpha radio